Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to continue building our knowledge of Bluebeam Revu by uncovering the power behind the markups list. We'll look at ways we can sort, filter, hide, and import all this valuable data. Be ready to take notes. This will be another informative presentation. So right off the bat, we're going to jump in and show you where the markups list is at. So I've got a snagging list drawing open here, and your markups list is going to be right across the bottom. You've got this blue line. If you hold that down with your left mouse button, you can drag that up, and that will reveal your markups list. So this is where all of the data is being collected when you place your markups. So there is a one-to-one relationship between all of your markups that you do on your drawing and in the markups list as well. So if I select something up here, a markup, it's going to highlight it down here in my markups list. If I select something in my markups list, it's going to select it in my drawing. Okay, if one of these exists, they both have to exist. If I delete one from my markups list down here, I just hit delete on my keyboard, it's going to delete that from the drawing as well. So just keep that in mind. All the markups that you're doing up top are generating a markups list down here, which gives us a great opportunity to have some rich data, and we'll show you some examples here. Probably my favorite tip for the markups list, and that's for you guys that are doing, whether you're doing a snagging list or estimating, sometimes you just want this list off to the side so that you can have your whole drawing area to mark up your drawings. So the trick here is if you come way over to the left side and grab onto these three little lines with your left mouse button, you can drag that, and you can drag that onto another monitor if you want to. So you could have this entire markups list just generating off to the side on a different monitor while you're working on your drawings over here. So one of my favorite tips there as far as efficiencies and getting a clear workspace. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.